Hi, cutie.
Hi.
What's your name?
Violin.
What is it?
Violin.
A-V-I-O-N? What's that spell?
Me.
Aww. Kiss the camera. What's your name?
M-A-L-I-C-H-I.
What's that spell?
Malachi.
You're so cute. How old are you, Malachi?
4.
4? Wow. How old are you?
10.
You're not 10.
What?
How old are you?
4.
You're 2.
You're 4.
You're 2. Stop lying.
Is this you? Yeah? Is this you?
Yeah, that's 2.
That you.
Yeah. Is it almost your birthday?
Yeah.
In 6 more days?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then how old you gonna be?
3. 10.
No, Kai said it. 3.
10.
Love you.
I love you.
Say bye.
Bye.